Welcome, LoveBees. I am Sunny B. Lovely, and you are now tuned into Lovely Creations. You'll need a wide tooth comb, a thin tooth comb, applicator bottle, glove, plastic cap, a cape, which is optional, clips, a cotton strip, and vinegar. Make sure it says with the mother, not the okie doke stuff, with the mother. Start off by first detangling your hair. After that, go in with your thin tooth comb and just kind of lightly scratch the scalp. That helps to break up and lift up the flakes. Shake, 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 Sonora. Don't break it. After you shake it all out, take your applicator bottle and the vinegar. Pour it in as much as your desired need is. Cap it up and let's get to work. I started by just taking sections of my most problem areas. So my problem areas are mainly in the front of my head and towards the middle. At this point, I decided to wrap the towel around me and grab them gloves and really just got to work on my scalp, sectioning each problem area and applying the vinegar. After my scalp is completely saturated in those desired areas, I continue on to go massage my hair, and I keep massaging it in the areas, maybe scratching a little bit here just to help the process, not too much because it can cause burning. I then go to clip it up, cap it, and I take my cotton and put it from ear to ear, as you can see. And I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes. After a good shampoo, I go in with my dark oil and I section my hair again. And I apply it from my finger to the scalp. And I just massage it in. The purpose of this is to add moisture to your scalp and to add longevity to your hairstyle without dandruff. I am doing another treatment, so here you'll see me just sectioning my hair and really just focusing on my ends, mid shaft to the ends. That is not the main purpose for this video, it is for dandruff, so I didn't really put many details with that. Moving forward, I'm going to cap my hair again. I'm going to sit under the dryer. I am a reader, so I'm focusing on these two books, 6 Steps to Six Figures by Rochelle Wilson and A Divine Revelation of Hell by Mary Kay Baxter. Amazing books. Then I rinse, shampooed, and conditioned my hair and styled it, and voila! This is the end result. No flakes, zone. No flakes, zone. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and ask questions. And let me know what you want to see next. Looking forward to seeing you LoveBees soon.